Elon Musk, a South African-born American entrepreneur who co-founded PayPal and SpaceX, a manufacturer of launch vehicles and spacecraft, was born on June 28, 1971 in Pretoria, South Africa. In addition, he served as the company's CEO and one of the company's earliest significant investors in Tesla. Also in 2022, Musk bought Twitter. Entrepreneur Elon Musk has gained worldwide recognition as the CEO of the private space enterprise SpaceX and the electric vehicle manufacturer Tesla Inc. Musk signed an agreement to take Twitter Inc. private in October 2022. Musk is an early investor in a number of internet businesses. His accomplishments and distinctive personality have led to comparisons to other colorful businessmen from American history, such as Steve Jobs, Howard Hughes, and Henry Ford. As of October 2022, his estimated net worth was $212 billion, making him the richest man in the world. The new richest man in the world is Bernard Arnault. The sizable and lucrative luxury real estate empire has been established by French entrepreneur Bernard Arnault. How did he become wealthier than Jeff Bezos and Elon Musk, and where did it come from? The reign of Elon Musk as the richest man in the world was brief. Forbes researchers claim that less than a year after ascending to the top, he was surpassed by 73-year-old French billionaire Bernard Arnault. They pegged Arnault's wealth at $180.2 billion, December 20th, which is approximately $17 billion higher than Musk. Co-founding, serving as chairman and CEO of LVMH, Moet Hennessy Louis Vuitton, also known as LVMH, is Arnault. Majority of the voting shares in the publicly traded corporation go to his holding company, which is also its largest shareholder. He has previously held the title World's Richest Man in 2019, 2020, and again in 2021. He held the role for a brief period of time. Musk can quickly turn around Twitter. Arnault might not hold the position for very long. Nonetheless, the Frenchman's feats are legendary. A luxury comparison with 75 distinct brands. LVMH is situated in Paris and sells mostly alcoholic beverages, high-end clothing, and cosmetics. It generated revenue of $68.2 billion in 2021, an increase of 20% from the previous year. 48% of sales were made from leather and fashion items. Almost 175,000 people work for the company, which is the biggest luxury corporation in the world, and there are 5,500 stores. Statista estimates that in November 2022, its market worth was close to 371 billion euros, making it one of the most valuable corporations in the world, ahead of MasterCard, Chevron, and Nestle. Arnault has understood that little outside of France compared to other people on this list of the world's richest people. The company's subsidiaries, on the other hand, are anything but understated and comprise numerous venerable names like Bulgari, Dior, Fendi, Givenchy, and of course Louis Vuitton. They also own the business Sephora and other Paris department stores. Winemaker Chateau d'Yquem, which was established in the late 16th century, is the company's oldest brand. When Arnault paid roughly $16 billion to acquire the renowned jewelry Tiffany & Co. in 2019, he attracted attention in the U.S. He gained media attention in Germany in early 2021 when he acquired a majority stake in Birkenstock. Albeit it's not apparent how the sandal manufacturer can be elevated to the status of luxury brand. Converting millions of Louis Vuitton bags into riches. On the Belgian border in northern France, Arnault was born. He gained his father's construction company after earning his engineering degree. He concentrated on real estate development there and soon rose to a position of president. He took over a failing company in 1984 that comprised of Christian Dior and the department store Le Bon Marché. That marked the entry to the high-end market. In 1987, Louis Vuitton and Moet Hennessy merged to establish LVMH. Hostile takeover, he quickly demoted rivals. In 1989, he was appointed chairman of the executive management board, a position he's held ever since. He proceeded on a decade-long multi-billion euro buying binge after becoming the sole leader, snatching up one company after another. He brought in contemporary management, hired new designers to spice things up because many of the brands had been mismanaged and had been outmoded. Susie Menkels, a fashion critic for the International Herald Tribune, referred to Arnault, who is reportedly known within the company as BA, as the king of logos in the 1999 profile. She identified the secret to success both then and now. The brand should speak a universal language and be fresh and contemporary, she argued, and Arnault insists that maintaining each brand's identity, uniqueness is of utmost importance while maintaining a streamlined organization structure. The tactic has allowed each company to maintain some of its independence while developing a more polished image. The company has focused on growing particularly through expansion in Asia, which is its largest market, followed by the US and Europe. Its aspiration glitzy advertisement to attract and entice younger customers. They sell less expensive things like belts, hats, and anything else with a brand. Arnault has also faced in the potential of internet. Everything is going online. LVMH would follow suit while maintaining its exclusivity. Many of the businessmen now have lavish websites and online stores and are not embarrassed to advertise costs in plain sight. That's it for today's discussion. Keep coming back as we discuss more interesting news and facts around the world.